The Benks Montage Armor Pro case stands out as a compelling option for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, combining premium materials with practical functionality. The case's standout feature is its use of DuPont Kevlar fiber, both 600D and 1500D variants, which delivers exceptional durability without adding unnecessary bulk. The sophisticated splicing design not only looks premium, but also provides a secure, comfortable grip, a crucial feature for a phone as substantial as the S25 Ultra. What really impresses is how Benks has managed to incorporate military-grade protection without sacrificing aesthetics. The aerospace-grade Kevlar and flexible TPU combination offers robust shock absorption, while the raised edges and reinforced metal bezel provide comprehensive protection for both the screen and camera array. This level of protection rivals bulkier cases like the OtterBox Defender, but maintains a significantly slimmer profile. The case also embraces modern connectivity with its 36-magnet array, ensuring strong compatibility with MagSafe accessories. This magnetic system works seamlessly with wireless chargers, wallets, and car mounts, matching the convenience offered by competitors like the Peak Design Everyday Case and Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit. However, the premium materials and features come at a price point that places it in the higher tier of S25 Ultra cases. But considering the durability of Kevlar fiber, which resists wear, scratches, and color fading better than traditional materials, the investment seems justified for those seeking long-term protection. While some might prefer more colorful options, the minimalist design with its refined aramid fiber finish exudes a sophisticated appeal that should age well. For S25 Ultra owners looking for maximum protection in a slim package, the Montage Armor Pro makes a compelling case for itself, even at its premium price point.